Hello everyone, today let's go over a non-premium Leetcode medium question that I think really illustrates the use of heaps and their power. So we're asked to find essentially the kth smallest prime fraction. So we're given a sorted array, that's good to know, and we're basically contains some 1 numbers and some prime numbers, and you already know that the array is unique, and so you simply just want to return the kth smallest fraction. So as you know, you can use, well, you can do this in multiple ways, but the easiest way to do this that I'm going to show you is to simply, so get all the fractions, right? Let's validate this. So get all the fractions, and then you can simply just put them in a heap. But before you put them in a heap, you need to, well, you don't need to convert them to negatives because you're looking for the smallest one, which is already going to be in the format because the smallest is at the top. Python has a min heap by default, so you can simply just push them onto the heap using the heap push method. And we're going to, well, the value we want to evaluate is ARRI divided by ARRJ. This is going to return a float or be a float, but at the same time we also want to have the actual pair itself to track. So let's print the heap. We don't need that. And so, okay, cool. So now we have the fraction itself, the value, and we can just simply pop k times, or we can just simply return. Sometimes the heap invariant messes up the order a little bit, so I'm going to actually just sort it. Sorting, I think, is going to be done by the first element. So 0.2 is smaller than 0.4. Nope, that's not correct. We might need to negate it first and then renegate it. We will see. So k is 3. So the third smallest fraction. Let's play around with this a little bit. So the third smallest would be, so 1 divided by 5 is 20%, 2 divided by 5 is 40%, 33%. So 40% is not less than 33%. Okay, so let's debug this a little bit to see what's going on. 1333. I think when we just pop k, we'll just get that eventually. So let's just try to see what we get. Equals to just print A, or let's print B and C because we just want to see the fraction. So we should get 2 and 5 if this is correct. Not enough values to unpack. I think it's just going to give us B and C. The third smallest fraction is 2 divided by 5. Trying to figure out why that's the case here, because it looks like 0.33 is smaller than this, but it's, oh, okay. Okay, cool. So now we do get BC, as you can see. Now we can simply just BC. Okay, so the heap is still doing its job, it seems like. Actually, we just need C. We don't even need B because we just want the actual number itself, and then we just want the fraction itself instead of the decimal, and then we can just return the last one, I think. And that should work. Output limit exceeded. Sometimes you get that. You just have to get rid of these print statements for debugging. And there you go. So that gets accepted. Again, the idea is that you push onto the heap and then you pop off the heap k times. So it's very similar to the a lot of other heap questions, like the kth largest element, the kth smallest element, what have you. So yeah, thank you for watching, and hopefully this helps.